In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get more for your trade-in than most people. My name is Cedric, the car guy. I've been in the car business for over 25 years. I want to show you exactly how you would get more money for your trade-in than most people normally would. Here's why this buyer gets more for their trade-in than you do. So number one, they're basing it off of actual data. They're going to kellybluebook.com. They're going to Carvana. They're taking it to CarMax. They're getting actual real-world data, market data on what their car's worth based on the condition, how it looks, the paint, the interior, the maintenance that they've done on the car. They're checking the trim level, different packages out there. They kind of know, is mine the lower package? Is it the middle package? Is it the top of the line? They're basing all that on real world market data to really get the most for their car, because when they walk into the dealership to present their car, it's almost like they're trying to sell it to the dealership, and that's the position you want to take. You want to make sure your car is clean, you've got records of all the maintenance you did, and you can justify, look, you guys will probably have this car for a very short period of time and you'll get it off your lot very fast. And that's what the dealer wants to hear. They want to flip and move that car quickly. So if they can get emotionally attached to your trade-in, yeah, you're going to get more money for it than the average person that just pulls in their vehicle. They saw their neighbor selling one and they don't wash it, they don't clean it. They just get what they get and they just move on. Don't be that person. Take the time, invest, do a little research, clean your car up, present the maintenance records, and demand more for your car, and I promise you, you will get it. I owe $30,000 on my trade-in, so you guys gotta pay me $30,000 for my trade-in. If we're gonna make a deal, it's gonna be that way. No, Mr. Customer, that's not how it works. And let me just walk you through this. This is the worst logic, okay? Because you owe $30,000 on your trade does not mean it's worth $30,000. And here's the scenario. If your car was all paid for, you walked in, you paid cash when you originally bought it, so you had the pink slip at home. Do I now get that car as a trade-in for free because you owe nothing on it? You have no balance on the vehicle? You would say no. Of course not, because it's all based on what? It's based on what the vehicle's worth. And how do we ascertain that? We do the research. We research, what is this car worth in the open market? So therefore, it has nothing to do with what I owe on the trade versus the value. Those two things have nothing to do with each other, so don't use that logic when you go into the dealership. Do your research first, then present your offer. I want this for my vehicle because that's what it's worth, not based on, well, I owe this dollar amount, so I need this dollar amount. Let's say you walk into the dealership and you wanted to trade in your car, and let's say you wanted $15,000 for your trade-in. Now ask yourself this question. If that car was sitting on the lot in the exact same condition, would you pay $15K for it? If your answer is yes, is that based off of the market research data that you did? It says that a car just like yours in that condition is worth $15K? Or are you saying that because it's your car and you want the most money for it because it's emotional, it's yours? If the answer is yes, you did the research, perfect. If the answer is no, you didn't do the research, and no, you wouldn't buy your own car for $15K, you buy it for a less dollar amount, then understand that you're gonna have a very hard time convincing the dealer to give you $15K for it just because that's what you want for it. You gotta do the research, look at what it's worth, and sell it accordingly. So to recap, you wanna go ahead and go to kbb.com, check out Carvana, actually take your car to CarMax, do the research, look at the numbers, make sure you're looking at the condition of your car. Don't just assume just because your car is nice that it's excellent condition. Most cars, they're not excellent condition. If you got 50,000 miles in your car, I'm sorry to tell you, it's not excellent condition. So make sure you do the actual research on your vehicle. Get your emotion out of it. It's not about how much you love your car. No one cares. You want to get the most for your vehicle. The way you're going to do that is by doing the research, reconditioning your car. It doesn't cost a lot. Just give it a good cleaning. Make sure you have all the records on the maintenance you've done. It's going to take a little bit of your salesmanship to convince the other side to pay you a little more for your car if you know the records, if you know the trim level, and you can tell a good story with your car. Look, I only took this car on the freeway for a daily commute. It has no accidents. I got no tickets. It's been garage kept. I kept it out of the sun. Whatever you can think of that's a selling point, you want to impress upon that to the next person that may be either buying your car as a trade-in, or maybe you're deciding that you want to put it on the street. But at the end of the day, most importantly, I just want you to take this away from this video. Get your emotion out of it. I know it's your car and you want to get the most you can, but it's all about what does the market say your car is worth. Now, if you would like more information about this topic or car buying in general, I built a free guide. It's somewhere in the description. Just click that link. It's called the 7 Insider Secrets That Dealers Don't Want You to Know About. It covers all this in detail and it's free. And if you would like more information about how you can get the best deal from a car salesman here on YouTube, just click the screen. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but it's going to be somewhere around here.